ಆಗಿದೆ.
TBR ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಬೈರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಟಿ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವಕರು ಕೋಲಾರ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ದಿನ ನಾನು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಗಣಿತದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಪಡೆಯುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ಒಂದು 2 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ, 2 ಅಂಕದ 2 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು. ಈಗ ಈ 2 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ 4 ಅಂಕಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನನ್ನ TBR ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಅನೇಕ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಗಣಿತ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅನೇಕ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುವುದು. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ನಮ್ಮ TBR ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 2 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ 2 ಅಂಕಗಳ 2 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ, 2023-24ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯ 2 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ 2x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 1 by eliminating method or elimination method. See, elimination means remove x or y, or you find the value of x or y. You take this one, x minus y is equal to 1. Call this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now x is equal to 1 minus y, RHS become plus y. In this equation or for equation 1, substitute x is equal to 1 plus y. 2x plus y is equal to 8. X in the place of x, 1 plus y, substitute x as 1 plus y, plus y is equal to 8. Multiply 2 ones are 2, plus 2 into y, 2y, plus y is equal to 8. 2y plus y is equal to 3y is equal to 8 minus 2. 2y plus 1y is 3y. This is 8 plus 2. Right hand side becomes minus 2. 3y is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6. Y is equal to 6 by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. Therefore, y is equal to 2. This is one answer. Next, this second equation, x minus y is equal to 1. You substitute y as we got the value of y is equal to 2. You substitute in place of y 2, that is equal to 1. X minus 2 is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 plus 2. X is equal to 3. These are the 2 answers. X is 3 and y is 2. These are the solutions for given pair of linear equations. Again, one more time I will explain. 2x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 1. Find the value of x, elimination method. Find the value of x and y by elimination method. You consider x plus y, 2x plus y is equal to 8, equation number 1. X minus 1 is equal to 1, equation number 2. You find the value of x or y. You take x minus 1 is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, right as it is, minus y, right hand side of the equation becomes plus y. Now in second equation or first equation, 2x plus y is equal to 8. Substitute the value of x as 1 plus 1. 2 into x value is 1 plus 1 plus y is equal to 8. 2 1s are 2 plus 2 into y, 2y plus 1y is equal to 8. 2y plus 1y is 3y is equal to, right, RHS 8 and 2 RHS becomes minus 2. 3y is equal to 8 minus 2. 3y is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6. Y is equal to 6 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Therefore, value of y is 2. Again, take this equation to find the value of x. Find the value of x. X minus y is equal to 1. The value of y is 2. We found this here. Y is 2. X minus 2 is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 minus 2, RHS becomes plus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3. These two are the solutions of the given pair of linear equations. This is for 2 marks. This is for 2 marks. You find the first value of x or y. If you find the x value, substitute x value in this given equation. If you find y value, substitute y value in the any one equation. You will get the values of x and y. Now this is for 2 marks. Cut 2 marks. One more. 2 marks question I will solve on the board. Find the sum of this question is from arithmetic series, from the chapter arithmetic progression. Find the sum of 20 terms of the arithmetic progression 5, 11, 17 using formula. Question number 2 for 2 marks. Find the sum of 20 terms of the arithmetic progression by using formula or arithmetic progression term form, right? Arithmetic progression 5, 11, 17, etc. by using up to 20 terms by using formula. Okay, the progression is given. Answer, you first write the progression 5, 11, 17, etc. Up to number of terms 20, like this 20 terms. You find you write the what given in the progression. See, first term of the progression is A is equal to 5. And constant difference is 11 minus 5 is 6. This is the difference between terms. Number of terms is equal to how many terms? They given 20 terms. Now you have to find sum of arithmetic series Sn is equal to question mark. That means S20 is equal to question mark. Sum of 20 terms. Now, sum of arithmetic progression formula is, number of terms is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula you have to remember. You will remember this formula. It is easy to answer. Yes, number of terms n is S20, n by 2 is 20 by 2. Substituting values, number of terms 20, n is 20 by 2. This is the formula. 2 into what is the value of first term is a. A you have to write 5 plus again 2 into 5, 2 into a, 2 into 5 plus, you should not forget to write to plus. All the symbols are important. 20 minus 1 by d is, what is the difference between terms? Add 6 like that is 6. You cancel this one. 2 ones are 2 tens are. This is 10 by 2 into 2 5s are 10. Multiply these two plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 6. No, 10. 2 ones are. This is equal to 10 into 10 plus 19 6 are 114. 10 into, this is 124. 124 into 10 is 1240. This is the sum of 20 terms. Sum of 20 terms of progression 5, 12, 17, 17. See, like this. 20 terms 5, 11, 17 plus 6, 23 plus 6, 29 plus 6, 35 plus 6, 41 plus 6, 47 plus 6, 53. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 50 plus 6, 59. 10th term is 65 plus 6, 65. If you will add all this, if you will add all this, you will get 1240. Add it. 5 plus 1, 6, 13, 16, 25, 30, 31, 38, 38, 41, 50, 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 terms it has come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 terms. Okay. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 7, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 9, 25, 30, 31, 38, 41, 50. Means 0, 5 carry. 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 5, 27, 27 plus 5.
62.
27 plus 5. 124 ಬರ್ತದೆ.
120.
6. You add these two plus 1240. 124. 20 terms, not 10. Again, this is what,
ಡಬಲ್
not double ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 1 minute. ನೋಡಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. First term is 5 11 17 plus 6 23 plus 6 29 plus 6 35 plus 6 41 plus 6 47 plus 6 53 plus 6 59 plus 6 65 plus 6 71 plus 6 77 plus 6 83 plus 6 89 plus 6 95 plus 6 101 plus 6 107 plus 6 113 plus 6 119. If you add all this, you will get 1240. This is the question they asked. If we add 6 to all the terms, 20th term, sum of the 20th term is 1240. But no need, this is only verification. This answer is S20 is equal to 1240. Okay, this is also for 2 marks. Again, I will explain this one. This is the sequence, arithmetic progression 5, 11, 17. First term is A is equal to 5, difference is 6, number of terms is 20, S20 is equal to question mark. Formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus bracket n minus 1 into d, bracket close into d. S20, n is 20 by 2, 2 ones are 2 tens are, 2a is 2 into 5 plus n is 20 minus 1, difference is 6. 10 into, because 10 is the answer here, 2 5s are 10 plus 19, 20 minus 1 is 19 into 6. 10 into 10 plus 19, 6 is 114, 10 into 100 and add these two, 124, 10 plus 114, 124. If you will multiply these two, you will get 1240. This is the sum of all the 20 terms for the progression 5 into 5, 11, 17. If you know this, understand this question and what they are given and the formula, you will solve easily and you will get 2 marks. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾಗಿರಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕರಾಗಿರಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ TBR ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, 2 ರಿಂದ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಲ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿ.